This is a demonstration of RF Smart for Oracle Cloud. In this demonstration, I will be showing how easy it can be to create a maintenance work order from a mobile device using RF Smart. The purpose of this function is to create a work order for corrective purposes. RF Smart creates a new work order, putting it in an unreleased status, and gives the mobile user the ability to add notes for someone who can evaluate and release the work order. Let's see how it looks. The first thing the user needs to know is the asset. This can be obtained through scanning a barcode or through the list button. Once the asset is selected, now the user has the ability to apply notes. Now let's see what was created in Oracle.